Hi, good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. It depends on when you're watching this video. This is Miss Palomino from Highlandtown Elementary Middle School, number 237. This is Middle School ESOL, and today is Friday, May 29th, 2020. Let's get started. All right, yesterday was Thursday, May 28th, 2020. Today is Friday, May 29th, 2020, and tomorrow will be Saturday, May 30th, 2020. The weather in Baltimore today, the high temperature will be 82 degrees, and the low temperature will be 67 degrees, and there will be thunderstorms today. So today we are going to listen, we are going to speak, we are going to read, we are going to write, we are going to answer questions, and at the end, we are going to text or email a photo of our work to Ms. Palomino, or we are going to turn in our work on Google Classroom. So our objective today is I can describe how many items are in a picture with the numbers 1 through 30 using sentence frames. I can describe how many items are in a picture with numbers 1 through 30 using sentence frames. How many significa cuántos o cuántas. So how many, cuántos o cuántas. So the objective today is yo puedo describir cuántas cosas están en una imagen con los números 1 through 30, 1 a 30, using sentence frames. So we've done this before in class, but I just want to practice writing numbers today. Hemos hecho eso en clase, pero quiero practicar un poco más con escribiendo los números. So at the end, you're going to turn in something like this. You're going to write 8 sentences, and in the blanks here, where's my thing? In the blanks here, you're going to write the number. En los blancos van a escribir el número, la palabra del número. Y les muestro cómo va a escribir. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Y ahora les muestro un ejemplo. Les voy a mostrar 8 imágenes y tienes que contar las cosas en la imagen y escribir el número que representa cuántas cosas están en la imagen. Por ejemplo, look at the raccoons. Look at the raccoons. Esta es una imagen de raccoons. Raccoons. How many raccoons are in the tree? ¿Cuántos raccoons are in the tree? Están en el árbol. There are 3 raccoons in the tree. Son 3 raccoons en el árbol. Pero quiero que escribes el número completo, la palabra. Right, esto fue un ejemplo. Ahora les voy a mostrar 8 imágenes y hay que contar cuántas cosas están en la imagen. 4, 4, 5, 5. Look at the map of North America. Look at the map of North America. How many countries are in North America? How many countries are in North America? ¿Cuántos países están en North America? There are countries in North America. There are countries in North America. And here you write the number. Tienes que escribir el número, pero la palabra del número. We're going to continue. 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Look at the flag of Honduras. Look at the flag of Honduras. How many stars are on the flag of Honduras? How many stars are on the flag of Honduras? There are stars on the flag of Honduras. These are stars. A star, a star, a star, a star, a star. How many stars are on the flag of Honduras? There are, hay que escribir el número, stars on the flag of Honduras. 11, 11, 12, 12. Otra manera de decir 12 is a dozen. A dozen. A dozen. So look at the eggs. Look at the eggs. How many eggs are in the carton? How many eggs are in the carton? There are, ¿cuántos? Eggs in the carton. So aquí tienes que escribir el número, pero otra manera de decirlo es there are a dozen eggs in the carton. There are a dozen eggs in the carton. We're going to continue. 13, 13, 14, 14. Now look at the flag of the United States. Look at the flag of the United States. How many stripes are on the flag of the United States? How many stripes are on the flag of the United States? There are stripes on the flag of the United States. Aquí hay que contar los stripes y escribir cuántos están on the flag of the United States. We're going to continue. 15, 15. Look at the map of South America. Look at the map of South America. How many countries are in South America? How many countries are in South America? There are countries in South America. There are countries in South America. ¿Cuántos países están en South America? We're going to continue. 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Look at the map of the solar system. Look at the map of the solar system. How many planets are in the solar system? How many planets are in the solar system? There are planets in the solar system. There are planets in the solar system. And here you write the number. Right here you write the number. Hay que escribir el número de cuántas planetas are in the solar system. We're going to continue. 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25. Look at the map of Maryland. Look at the map of Maryland. How many counties are in Maryland? How many counties are in Maryland? A hint, una pista. Baltimore City, right here, Baltimore City is not a county. Baltimore City is not a county. County es condado. So I want you to count all the counties in Maryland. How many counties are in Maryland? There are counties in Maryland. ¿Cuántos condados están en Maryland? Baltimore City is not a county. Entonces no tienes que contar esto aquí, porque no es un condado, no es un county. We're going to continue. 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28. Look at the dogs in the yard. Look at the dogs in the yard. How many dogs are in the yard? How many dogs are in the yard? There are dogs. There are dogs. ¿Cuántos perros están? Hay que escribir el número, pero la palabra del número. 29, 29, 30, 30. Look at the calendar. Look at the calendar. How many days in the month of February? How many days in the month of February? There are days in the month of February. There are days in the month of February. Y quiero el número completo, la palabra del número. All right, so you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. And I want you to complete these sentences. Hay que completar estas frases, estas oraciones. Puedes ver las imágenes de nuevo para ayudarles, pero quiero saber cuántas cosas están en cada imagen que les mostré. So there are blank countries in North America. Number 2, there are blank stars on the flag of Honduras. Number 3, there are blank eggs in the carton. Number 4, there are blank stripes on the flag of the United States. Number 5, there are blank countries in South America. Number 6, there are blank counties in Maryland. Number 7, there are blank dogs in the yard. Number 8, there are blank days in February. Y quiero el número, no el número, pero la palabra del número, el número completo. Quiero que practicamos escribiendo los números. All right, so you can turn in your work on Google Classroom, or you can take a photo of your work and send the photo to Ms. Palomino through email or through WhatsApp. And if you have questions or you want to talk, you can call or text Ms. Palomino from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All right, I will talk to you next week. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye, everyone.